Hello, YouTube friends and family. Here we have another Costco haul. $214. Now, this was a big one, but this first of the month, all that good stuff. Time to stock the house. I've been running low on paper products, so it's time to do that. Back to school is in a few days, and no more free lunches in Duval County. If you've been watching my videos, I'm faced with that dilemma. Instead of paying $4.75 for the school lunch, at least not every single day, we're gonna go ahead and pack a lunch. I already had a lunch box, brand spanking new, and I bought the stuff for the back to school lunches. Now, some stuff came from other places. If you caught my Amazon haul, you will see that I had a box of 40 bags of chips. But then I stocked up on both chips today. We're going to go old school sandwich chips and a little sweet treat, sweet snack, and call that lunch. Period. We good. I ain't got to complicate it. Make it easy. He's kind of has a hyper food fixation. So as long as he like those sandwiches and those chips, he'll eat it every day. No problem. So we have the bath tissue, which was $20.99. Stocking back up on that because I'm down to my last 4 rolls of paper towels. I ain't even counted the toilet paper, but I say my stash, my stockpile is way low when it comes to paper products. And I ain't even buying paper plates no more. We out. All them Dollar General clearance sales and everything. And you know I was bringing home stacks upon stacks of paper plates. They are all gone unless I hit them for myself. So I'm not buying any more paper plates. They are too expensive. We're going to wash dishes. We got plenty of dish detergent. Okay? So I got my bath tissue, which was $20.99, and the paper towels, which is $19.99. And then we have this stuff that was on sale. This Dr. Brew kombucha. You get 6 kombuchas, and they were $7.99 or $6.99. 2, 4. They were $7.99 for this Dr. Brew kombucha. And these flavors: Clear Mind, Island Mango, Super Berry. Now this is a deal. This is $25 or $23.99 on sale at Costco right now. But there's also an Ibotta rebate for another $5. So $20 for this big old thing, or 18. I can't remember. Let me see if I can find that for you. So it's $33.99 with $8 off. So that's $25.99, and you get back $5 on Ibotta. So if you do protein smoothies in the morning, get this. This is olive oil, $9.99 for this bottle of unfiltered cold pressed olive oil from Spain. Then, of course, we got bread for those sandwiches. Those are $5.29. Then I got some alkaline water for me. That's $9.99. Then we got our good old tried, trusted, and true bacon crumbles. You know, those are $8.99. These are on sale for $9.49, but you also get $3 back on Ibotta. This is a good snack for the lunchbox or after school snack. Then we have our Chipotle Ranch salad. I want to say this is $7.99, but it is the 2 bags, and we tend to like this a lot. So that's a good side dish. This, you know, these are favorite. I bought 2 boxes, and they are $9.49. So I bought 2 boxes, one for my aunt and one for me. They're actually $9.89. Sorry, $9.89 for the Goolsby sausage. One for my aunt, one for me. This cheese, so this is deli style, naturally aged sharp, extra sharp cheddar, and it was $9, $8. 1 second here. It's $8.59. So this is lunch. Then we have the big bag of French fries. They worked out okay. He liked them. I was okay with them. They was all right to me, but he liked them, so he eat these. I'm not that into French fries. $6.79 for this big bag that is 5 pounds. 5-pound bag of potato costs you $4, and you ain't even got to cut them. So, half and half is always a good deal at Costco for $2.19. These are on deal this month. The 50 vegetable spring rolls. That was, I'm looking. Where's these spring rolls? Because again, it was two. They were $6.99. So $6.99, shoot, you go to Panda Express, one egg roll costs you $3. So I'm like, come on now. Then we have the, I hope I'm holding this camera as still as I can. Y'all know I'm shaky. Thank you for your patience. So we got the Mediterranean salad, which was $7.99. Let's see. I think it's, yeah, $8.99. $8.99 for the 2 bags of Mediterranean, but that is my absolute favorite. And then for the, I needed more mango chunks for my smoothies. I ran completely out of those, and that is $10.99, I think it was. Let's see, mango chunks. Mango chunks was $10.99 for this bag. Organic mango chunks, 5 pounds, okay? Then these are on special. These big bag of chicken breast chunks. And he can heat those and take them one day a week and put them in a thermos. I've seen people do that before. And they were on sale for $14.99. And this is a, how many pound bag? 4-pound bag, child. $14.99. And this is the meat for the sandwich. I think they were sampling these and they taste pretty good. And it's extra lean, uncured ham. You get the double pack. So I'll put one in the fridge, one in the freezer. And it is 3 pounds. This is 1.5 pound packages. So it's 3 pounds of ham, lunch meat, and it was like $9.89. And then, what else did I buy? I think that's it, y'all. I think that is it. And that was $214. I feel like I'm missing something. $214. Oh my goodness, I'm feeling a little slighted right now. But again, one of the boxes of sausage went to my aunt. I'm getting $8. Nope. Yeah, $8 back on Ibotta. So that took me down to $190 something once I do all of that. So as always, prep and pray. I am not going to do my Dollar General haul, but I will tell you about it. This sale is good till Friday. Hopefully I'll get this up today, which is Wednesday. If you don't know about it, you must not be scrolling the internet. But you get the chips. So the boxes are 18. I did this deal 3 times. So you get 3 of these boxes, 3 big bags of Frito-Lay chips, and 3 Frito-Lay dips for like $25. If you clip your 5 off 25, it's another coupon on the pack. And then you get, I think it's another $1 off coupon or something. It comes down to like $25 for all of that. And that is a good deal for back to school, set up back to school. And then it's some kind of, okay, and I'm going to have to get this $10. I'm going to see what it takes to get this $10 because I certainly spent $20. See if I can get that gift card. But as always, prep and pray. Plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. And get these kids ready for back to school. Get them ready to learn. Pay attention. Sit down. And be respectful to their teachers. Okay? And as always, I love you to life. Bye-bye.